Hello, first grade. This is Mrs. Ball with your math lesson for today. Let's go ahead and get started. Our standard is 1MD3, tell and write time in hours and half hours using analog and digital clocks. Our essential question is, how are the minute hand and the hour hand different for time to the hour and time to the half hour? And our I can statement is, I can tell time to the hour and to the half hour. Let's look in our Go Math books, and I am on page 397. If you need to, pause the video and get your book and turn to page 397. Each clock has an hour hand and a minute hand. Remember, the hour hand is the short hand, okay? So I'm going to circle it. That's the short hand. Use what you know about the hour hand to write the missing numbers. It is 1 o'clock. The hour hand points to the 1. And the minute hand is the long hand, and it points to the 12. All right. It is half past 1 o'clock. We learned about half past yesterday. The hour hand points between what two numbers? It's between the 1 and the 2. The minute hand points to so this long hand is pointing to the what? It's pointing to the 6. Now let's continue to expand our knowledge. All right. An hour has 60 minutes. So an hour is 60 minutes.
Good morning. Happy Thursday. The current time is 7:30. If you have a morning duty post, please report to that post at this time. We'll assist in the
Okay. So we see that the clock shows 10 o'clock. The hour hand is on the 10 and the minute hand is on the 12. A half hour has 30 minutes. So halfway or half of the clock is on that 6. The clock shows half past 10 o'clock. The minute hand has moved from the 12 to the 6. So we're going to write the time. And what I like to do, I like to get my pencil and I like to make a hook, especially when it comes to the half hour. So I know that my minute hand is on the 6. So I know it is something 30. So I can go ahead and write the 30 right here. And let me look at number 2. Where's my minute hand? It's on the 6. So it's something 30. I just have to find what the hour is. Now let's look at number 3. Now my minute hand is on the 12. So I know it's exactly on the hour. So it is o'clock. Now I'm going to take my pencil and I'm going to make a hook. Okay. So I'm going to hook it around this number. So what time is it? That's right. It is 11:30. So my hook is around that 11. All right. Now let's look at it right here. What's in between it? 12 and 1. Now, what number did I say first? I said 12. Okay. And of course, when I make my hook, go around like that. So what am I around? Kind of looks like a question mark, huh? Looks like the 12. So it is what? 12:30. Okay, right here. Now it's pointing directly to the hour. So what time is it? It is 4 o'clock. All right, so what we're going to do now, we are going to turn the page and you can practice 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 on your own on page 399. Now I'm also going to show you your assignment for today. And it is page P 187. So let me get that. All right, now as you can see, I have already put the colon. I've already put the colon here today. So we're going to double click. So we're going to look at the hour and the minute hands. Remember, the minute hand is a long hand, it's on the 12, so I know it's something o'clock. Let's look at the hour. It is 8 o'clock, and I can scoot this over if you need to. All right, double click. The hour hand, okay, is in between two numbers. The minute hand is on the 6, so I know it's something 30. So type in 30, and of course I can move this if I need to. You can too. Okay, now it's in between two numbers, the 1 and the 2. If I draw my hook, kind of looks like a question mark, it's going to go around the 1. So it is 1:30. Okay. And of course, since you cannot bubble in right here, if you're submitting it online, you're just going to double click and type in the answer. You have answer choices for number 1 and 2. And you also can double click and type in the correct number for number 3, and I need you to type in the words for number 4. So if you think that it's 9 10s and 2 1s, type 9 10s 2 1s. Okay, and you can expand it if you need to by dragging it out, and you can even move it down if you need to. Okay, all right. So thank you for joining me today. I will see you next time.